Hey guys, what's up? It's Princess, CEO of LovePrincessShop.com, and today you guys are tuned into another small business series, episode 3, how to create business cards. So we're going to be doing this on Canva on our phone. I'm sorry that I'm rushing, I'm talking a little fast because I hurry up. But we're going to be doing this on Canva using our phone. We're going to do 2 different types of business cards. That way you guys can kind of get a little bit familiar with creating business cards. So, okay, Sunlight, period. We're gonna do 2 different type of business cards. We're gonna keep it simple, and then we're gonna do another simple basic one, but just a little bit more. All right, so I'm gonna start screen recording for you guys and just follow along. All right, let's get right into it. Wait, before we get into the video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts, and make sure you shop my website. And yeah, let's get right into the video. All right, so go ahead and download Canva to your phone. I am using the version that you have to pay for, but let's get right into it. All right, so type in business card right there. Oh my God, TikTok, business card. All right, let's hit blank. And then we're gonna just go to background, and let's create the first one. So let's use this galaxy background. Let's just say this is for someone that has a pajama line that's coming out with like a pajama line or something like that. So we're going to use like this galaxy background, gives like a nighttime little vibe. And then we want to go ahead and hit that plus sign. Let's go to element and let's add in some shapes. So right at the search bar, you can type in square because I want to put a square, but I'm going to make it a rectangle. And then you're going to put that. And then let's go and stretch it out by dragging it. Drag it. You're gonna make it a little bit smaller, like a little bit thinner. All right, that's there. Let's go back to the plus sign and let's go to text and let's hit add a heading. Let's type add a heading, and then let's go to, what are we gonna name this business? We're gonna name it Lux. Is this Lux or Lux? I never know how to pronounce this word. Somebody leave it in the comments. So Lux pajamas. All right, let's hit that navigating little arrow and let's bring it up. And then we're gonna change the font to something more, you know, I like that font for like a pajama line, a cute pajama line. All right, so let's hit that plus sign. It's gonna go to the back of the business card. This is gonna be the back of the business card. So let's go ahead and hit the plus sign at the bottom, the purple plus sign. And we're gonna go back to background. And then we're gonna hit the galaxy theme again for the back of the card. And we're just gonna do the same thing, but on the back of the card, this is where we're gonna put like our contact information and stuff like that. So let's hit the plus sign, and then let's go back to elements, and let's hit that square again. Let's drag it, drag it. This one, we're gonna leave it just open a little bit more, and a little bit bigger. All right, so now let's go back to the purple plus sign at the bottom. And let's go to text, and we're gonna go to let's go to elements so we can start adding in like the logos for different social medias. So let's go to Instagram logo, and this fits better. Let's see, this one's gonna fit better. It's black, so you just wanna hit color, and we're gonna change it to white. All right, now we just wanna make this really small. Really small, and we're doing this on our phone, so it's gonna look probably smaller, but yeah. So let's just make it small, and then let's go. We're gonna put in all of our social medias. Let's go to, what else can we do? Let's put an email. So let's make that white, and then small. Make it small like this. Bring it down some. And then let's add another element. Maybe we can add, let's add a laptop. We're gonna do for our website. All right, so let's put our website. And then, all right, so with Canva, you see that purple dot? It kind of like, it aligns with other stuff that you have going on your, you know, artwork or whatever. So that's good. That's what I like about Canva. So now let's just start adding in the ads. So let's go back to text. We're gonna go to that plus sign and go back to text. And then you're gonna go to add a little bit of body. So let's click that. And we're gonna put our at name for our Instagram. So it's gonna be at shop Lux. I don't know how to pronounce that. Lux PJ. Let me go back. PJ. Okay. And then let's bring it over here. And we actually want to change the font. Let's change it to, that looks nice, but I like this. So let's leave it at that. Let's bring it over. And we need to make it like bigger a little bit. So let's stretch it. I'll line it right there. Cool. Let's go to add our email. So just hit that plus sign again, text, and then add a little bit of body here again. Edit, backspace. And our email is going to be at luxpj109@gmail.com. All right, and let's change the font to this one. Let's move it over like that. Make it a little bit bigger. Oops, that's too much over. Let it align with the other one. All right, cool. It's like it's up a little bit. Let's bring it down some. Bam, cute. All right, so let's go to do our website at the plus sign. And let's go to add a little bit of body text, hit edit, backspace, and I'm gonna do www.lux. Is that Lux or Lux? I don't know. Lux pajamas.com. Change the font. Bring it down. Like this. Boom. So I feel like I want to add more stuff. So I'm just going to add something like, I don't know, shop now or connect with us, or I don't know. I'm going to just add like connect now. And what's the font I want to use? I'm going to use this for it. So connect now. And boom, there you have it. That's the front of your business card. That is the back of your business card. The front of your business card, the back of your business card. Okay, so let me show you how you will upload it to Vistaprint. So type in Vistaprint. I already have Vistaprint right here. Ooh, type in Vistaprint. Go to that menu bar all the way to the left. You want to hit business cards. And then hit upload your design. And then you're gonna go to standard, hit select. Let it load, my phone's a little bit slow. So if you can see on Vistaprint, it says front and back. So the front, wait, let's go save our stuff that we made. Save it from Canva, I forgot to save it from Canva. Let's save our stuff that we made. And then we're about to make one more business card, you guys. So don't leave, don't leave. We're about to make one more business card. So save, that's saving. And you just wanna hit image, and then you wanna go to my phone, photo library. And then let's upload the front of our business card, which is this one. So that's loading through. And now, boom, that's the front of your business card. Vistaprint lets you know the quality of how it's gonna look. So they're really good with that. So it says the image resolution looks great. So let's go. If it said it looked bad, then you know you need to change something. So let's hit back. And let's go to no thanks. I don't wanna, oh, let's go to full color. Go click over there, hit image, my phone, photo library. Let's upload the back of the business card that we created. And hit done. Where is it? Why is it not there? Okay, what's going on? Choose. All right, so now the back should be loaded in now. The image resolution looks great. All right, so now you have the back of your business card uploaded. I don't know why it's not showing at the little bottom right there. I don't know why that's not showing, but hit save. And then you go to putting in all of your information and stuff like that, and you can order your your business cards through Vistaprint. Okay, so let's go back to Canva and let's create another basic business card. So let's hit blank. This is for someone who has who wants to put like a picture of their product on their business card. So let's just say this is somebody who has a jewelry business, and let's go to upload, and let's go to upload, and we want to upload this. All right, so let's bring it all the way to the left side of the card, make it bigger so it takes up that full left side. Boom. We're not gonna put a back on, we're not gonna have a back side of this card because we're gonna put everything in the front. So let's just delete that. All right, so over here, let's go to plus and let's put some text in. So let's add a heading. Let's click that, backspace. We're gonna put this luxury. All right, move it to over there. And let's change the font. I really like using Afra as a font. And then let's go back, let's click on it. And let's scroll over to effects for this text. And we wanna use Echo. Our Echo looks nice. Let's change the color of that text. Let's make it this nude color right here. That messes with my eyes. Okay, let's change the effect again. Does that really mess with my eyes? I like that. All right, so luxury. And then let's add by princess. So let's add a little bit of body text. Let's edit it, and we're gonna put by space princess. And then let's change the font for that to this, to Black Bones, period. And then let's bring it under. Boom, that's cute. That's cute, okay? That is cute. Okay, so now let's start adding all of our little logos. I'm about to speed it up a little bit because I got something to do. So let's add Instagram logo. Make it small. A little bit smaller. Then let's add a Twitter logo. Square. I'm gonna keep everything squared. And then let's add a Facebook logo. So this is where you can find us. Okay, honey. Facebook logo. Facebook logo is a little too small. Boom. All right, now let's start adding our text in one by one. So edit. Here, our Instagram is at Shop Lux J. Cool. Change the font. What do we want to use? You guys could play with these so that you can get a feel of what you want to do. I think this was cute. At Shop Lux J. I think this was cute. Yeah, that was cute. I feel like that font is cute. That's very important when you're making business cards. Play around with the fonts, y'all. Play around with the fonts. Use different fonts to, you know, spice it up. All right, so let's add in our Twitter @name. And these are fake businesses, y'all. So, yeah. Hopefully nobody got this type of business name for real. But our Twitter name is going to be Shop Lux J. Why is that not typing? Lux J. Change the font to What are we using? Gallon? Okay, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce that. But change it to gallon and make it smaller and put it over there. All right, so now let's add our Facebook name. Our Facebook is gonna be, what's our Facebook name? Hit edit, X, and our Facebook is gonna be Lux Jewelry. Boom, something real simple. All right, and let's change the font to Gallon, and let's move it over. Like I said, it aligns. You saw those dots, those purple dots was like boom, 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 boom. So it aligns. So now let's go ahead and let's do our website at the bottom. So we're just gonna do add that, and let's do www.lux. We're gonna capitalize all of this. luxjewelry.com. All right, and we just want to, oh snap, I said capitalize everything. Okay, so first of all, a little bit smaller so that everything fits there. And then let's change the font to, no, let's change the font to this. Perfecto. Should I change the color of the font? Color to this, but let's change the effect to like that. All right, so boom. I like this. This is simple. This is easy. It's nice. It has a picture of what you sell, so they already know what you sell. They might want to buy exactly what they see. It have your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook. It has your website. It has your title, and it has you by Princess or by whomever. So let me close this out. And I already showed you guys how to do it on Vistaprint. So this is a really quick, easy, simple video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts. Don't forget to shop my website, and stay tuned for episode 4 of the Small Business series. And do I gotta say anything else? No.